welcome to CT Hikes. We're over here at Bear Mountain, actually down to Stages Ravine. And I want to give you a little glimpse of this. This is pretty hardcore, hey. We just had some pretty serious downpours yesterday. So the water is definitely rushing through. Check this out. And then we go down here to the river. I'm not exactly sure what river it is, but there's a pretty serious waterfall over here too. We're gonna go check that out. So far we've been hiking since about 11:30 in the morning, and it's about 3 o'clock now. 2:30 or 3 o'clock anyway. And it's been pretty challenging, not bad. This side of the waterfall here, and there she goes. Here's some of the people that are with us today, some first timers. Look at that, hey. That's awesome.
Hiking doesn't get any better than today.
Yeah, you can say that again. Torrential downpour? That wasn't torrential. But yeah, we got wet for a half hour or so. Maybe more. Alright.
Yeah, we're almost there.
Let's do this.
I'm not going to put a time frame to it.
Alright, remember I have the first aid kit, but no casualties.
No. This is the kind of stuff your lifestyle out of.
Nobody dies today.
Everybody makes it alive.
Looks like this is a good way.
It's gone if you come around this way. Much way you can do. Yeah, we gotta get up to here.
Almost went for a ride?
No, I made a read.
Oh man, we are up there. It's pretty hazy out there though.
A lot of that hazy to the east is kind of still rain.
Yeah. Still hear the thunder in the distance.
I don't remember all these rocks up here. Yeah, they did sailing here last year, but he doesn't remember nothing. No, it's going back to me. I remember the ravine, people swimming there.
Yeah, that ravine looked like you could definitely take a good dip in there.
Because we went in the summertime, if I remember, it's pretty hot.
Almost there.
You got new hikers, Kyle? Oh, these are the ones I got last year from last year.
Whoa, buddy.
Oh, okay.
Wow, look at that. Here we are, Bear Mountain.
Got more to go. Going more? Yeah.
All right, get a little 360.
Thank you. Check this out, make sure it's what you like.